Right, guys. Happy Sunday fun day. Too bad the Packers lost. But anyways, we'll see if the Chiefs make it. Anyways, let's get into the Forex currency trading here. Let's see. Oh man, Lions are whooping it right now. Dang it. So, uh, let's get into here. Looking to sell the. I mean, no, we're not looking. We're selling the U.S. dollar this week. Looking for the U.S. dollar to go back down to 103 and then break back down to 102. We are buying all the indices this week. I'm expecting US 30, which is Wall Street, to hit 38,000 this week. And then we'll see if it drives up even further up above 838,000. Buying S&P for 5,000. That's going to be the next biggest target is to break 5,000. And then we'll see where it's going to go from there. But ultimately, they are driving all the indices up. So I don't foresee them. I don't foresee the uptrend going down anytime soon until maybe the new president comes in, whoever's going to be president for this year. Nasdaq is up 17,300. So closing at a new high here, looking for Nasdaq to even go further up. My next target would be 18,000 in the long run. There's gonna be, some retracements here throughout the week, but I'm expecting a solid big move here for Nasdaq, for NAS 100 to keep going for 18,000 here. So that's gonna be the big long run here. But the first target I would hit for would be 17,500 and then 17,700 and then to make it back to even higher for 17,900 to hit 18. So breaking it down every 200 increments in points. That's how I do it for the indices here. Unless, like I said, they're consolidating, and I dropped down the points in a very tight, narrow price range here. So buying gold, looking for gold to hit 2040 and then 2060 and then 2080 and then 2100 would be the next move. That'll be like the fourth take profit there. So breaking it down every $20 in value here. So 2040, it's in at 2029 right now. So 2040, 2060, 2080, and then the fourth, if you want to hold it, would be 2100, which I do not highly advise. So, like I said, there's probably going to end up being gold has been consolidating quite a bit in the 2000 price range on so between 2073 and 2000. And so that's a $73, $73 price gap. So break it down in half from there, half of 70, well, 70, half of 72 would be 36. Yeah, 36. So we'll see how much more it's going to keep going, or it can end up reversing itself back down too. So pay close attention to what's going to happen tomorrow. All right, so UJ, I believe we had. Hang on, I apologize, you guys. Forgive me. Oh, we're selling gold. What? My bad. All right, this makes no sense. Why are we selling gold? I apologize. I'm gonna have to switch up the signals here. Yeah, that makes no sense. Why we're selling gold. So I'm gonna switch up the signals here. I don't know why I had sell and buy. Yeah, so we're gonna switch that up. So I'm gonna switch this up. I am gonna be selling US dollar to Japanese yen here. We are buying gold. So I apologize. We are buying gold and then we're gonna be selling UJ because I'm basing off the correlation of the US dollar index here. So um if you guys don't know, if I'm buying the US dollar, I'm buying UJ, I'm buying USwiss, I'm buying UCAD, right? Unless very rare do they ever, like I said, very rare do they ever go against the correlation. Kind of like how UJ was going up on its own because Bank of Japan and also the Japan's economy was tanking pretty hard. So something like that, that's the fundamental side. Okay, so we're gonna be buying. I mean, yeah, we're buying gold and we're selling UJ. I'm looking to sell this pair back to 147, 146, and then the final take profit would be 145. And then for USwiss, I'm gonna sell USwiss back down to 86 and then 85. And then 84 would be like a third take profit. You want to hold it for that long, which I don't recommend. Selling UCAD here, looking for UCAD break back down to 134, and then back down to 133, and then the final move would be 132. So I apologize for explaining the wrong signals here. All right, so we are, I believe we're selling this pair. I believe we're selling this pair. Yes, we are. So we're selling Euro British pound back down to 85. And then the next move would be to break the support 85 back down to 84. And then we're buying Euro and the pounds. We're buying Euro for 109 and then 110. And then the big move we do break above 110 to 111. And then selling the, we're buying the pound for 127. Yep. And then 128. And then the final move would be 129. And then for the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, buying both these pairs, buying the Australian dollar for 66. Yeah, 66. And then 67. And the final take profit would be 68. And then New Zealand here would be buying New Zealand, looking for 62. And then 63, and then the final move would be to break all the way up to 64. Now I have it all broken down here. I don't know if there's anything. Okay, Bank of Japan's got their rate statement on Monday night. What else they got? Okay, so heavy news on Wednesday here. Bank of Canada is having their rate statement at her holding their rate at 5%. Who else is having a rate statement? We have Bank Holiday for Australia Thursday. Okay, so Euro's got their monetary policy statement and financing rate at 4.5% here Thursday morning. So a lot of rate decisions here. So you got Bank of Japan on Monday night, and then we have Bank of Canada's rate statement during New York sessions Wednesday morning. And then following Thursday early morning into 7 in the morning here. This is all based in Central Time for me. So the ECB, which is the European Central Bank, they'll have their financing rates, and they're keeping the rate unchanged at 4.5. And then after that, they got their monetary policy statement. And then Thursday, Australia has a bank holiday, but US has their GDP. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be interesting to see what their GDP is gonna be. And then Friday morning, I don't really care for Friday morning, so not a lot for Friday morning. So big day is Wednesday. So a lot of red news for CAD and Euro. And then, but Euro's got their rate statement on Thursday morning, right into New York sessions, which is the London overlap. So any questions or concerns into analysis or the weekly swing signals, let me know in the Telegram chat group. If I did not explain anything in good details, let me know. I don't mind making another video for you guys. And other than that, happy Sunday funding. Peace out. Stay positive, and let's make this money, more money this year. More money, more wealth, and more positive vibes. And more blessings. Because God is good. All right, guys. Welcome back. It is Sunday Fun Day. Let's get into it for crypto here. All right, so for crypto, we are selling all cryptocurrencies. I'm expecting Bitcoin and most of the cryptocurrencies to keep coming back down. So obviously over the weekend, there's just a lot of consolidation. You guys can see that yesterday and on Friday wasn't a whole lot of movement. So I'm expecting to do some short sells. And what I mean by that is it probably just gonna be selling for like a day or two. Unless there's like a major drop on the major coins for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all the other major coins as well. So, but like I said, I don't really expect a whole lot of volume or any like high liquidity For this week. I know that starting next month, towards the end of this month was when we're gonna start looking to uh high volume and high trading because tax season tax for me personally, tax season starts, February 1st and then runs all the way till like mid-April. So that's like probably the best times to trade. This month could be a toss up as well, but like I said, just expecting more low volume until things pick up the next month. So still selling crypto starting today, and then we'll see how much more, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin going back down here. So I'm looking for, like I said, selling all cryptos, looking for Bitcoin to come back down to 40,000, and then we'll see if it breaks even further going down. And then for Ethereum, selling Ethereum back down to 2,400 to 2,300. Selling Litecoin back down to 70 and 68. Selling Shiba back down to the 0.9 and 0.855 mark here. Dogecoin, selling Dogecoin back down to 8.5 cents. It's sitting right now, but selling it back down to 8 cents to 7.5 cents here. And then selling Ripple back down to break 54 cents back to 50 cents in value. Selling Neo back down to $11 in value, and then we'll see if it breaks below 11. And selling Dash back down to 27 and then $26 in value. Selling Solana back down to 90, and then we'll see if it breaks further back below 90 to like 85, $84 in value. And then selling Zcash back down to 22 and then 21. And then the major move would break back down to 19. And then final one would be Tezos, selling Tezos back down to break $1 in value back down to 98 and 97 cents. So that's pretty much all I have for what's going on right now for today. And then we'll see, how much more they're going to try and drive the price back down for all of the major cryptocurrencies here. So any questions, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys for the crypto analysis. Going to be selling the cryptocurrencies for the remainder of today and then tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens for, tomorrow morning or like tomorrow afternoon when if things end up switching up. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Peace out.